Alright guys, so let's move on to our last example. So lastly, we are going to create a box and whisker plot. It's a box plot to show the data. This is also known as a box and whisker plot. So to create the box plot, we need to list the data from least to greatest to identify the 5-number summary. Okay, so we got to list these in order from least to greatest. Okay, our lowest number is 7. Okay, the next number after 7, okay, if you look at your data, is 21. So we got 21. Okay, after that, where it's 29. Next number after that is 31. Okay, then we've got 35 3 times, and you do need to write 35 3 times. So 35, 35, 35. Okay. Now our next number is 38, and that happens twice, so yes, you are going to have to write it twice. Okay. The next number after that is 40. Then 43, 48, and 49. Okay. So now all our data is ordered from least to greatest. So we need to find our minimum value, and I think you know what our minimum value is. It's the least value, and that would be 7. So 7, that's our min. Okay, our max is the highest value, which is 49. Okay, to find our median, so median, okay, median means number, it's the middle term. So it's the number that's directly in the middle. And we can actually, we're going to go ahead and we're going to figure that out, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out from each end, okay, to find the median. So you're going to start, we got 1 over here, so we got to take 1 over here. 1 over there, and 1 over there, then 1 over here, 1 over here. You're just going to keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. All right. Okay, so keep going back and forth. So on this side, on the left-hand side, we've got 6 numbers that are crossed out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should have the same amount of numbers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so our median is 35. Okay. Then we need to look at our first quartile. So the first quartile is the number in the middle of the minimum and the median. So, okay, when we're looking for first quartile, we are literally just looking at the left-hand side. We are going to look from the 7 to this 35, okay? That's what we're going to look for, first quartile, okay? So the first quartile, we need to find the number in the middle, okay? So we're going to do the same thing we did for the median, and we're going to go back and we're going to cross these out. Start at the left, go right, left, right, left, right. So we got the 21, 35. Okay, we've got 2 numbers on either side that is crossed out, but we've got 2 numbers in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 29 and the 31, and we're going to add them together. Okay? So we're going to do 29 plus 31. Okay, 29 plus 31, that equals 60. Okay, then we're going to take 60 and we're going to divide it by 2. And 60 divided by 2 is 30. So our first quartile is 30. Okay. Then we got to have the third quartile. And the third quartile, okay, is the number in the middle of the maximum in the median. So we're going to look at just the right-hand side of the data. So we're just going to look from 38 to 49. Okay. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go cross out left and then cross out right. Cross out left, cross out right. Okay, and then again, we've got two numbers in the middle. So we're going to add them together. We're going to do 40 plus 43. So we'll do 40 plus 43. And that equals 83. Okay, and then we're going to take 83 and divide it by 2. 83 divided by 2 is 41.5. 41.5. Perfect, okay? Once you have identified these, you can create the box plot of the data, okay? So, and you'll see why it's called a box plot in a second. We have to plot our minimum, and our minimum is 7, so we gotta plot the 7, okay? And that's in between 5 and 10, but it's closer to 10, so we're gonna put the dot right there. Okay. So we'll plot our dot at 7. Then we need to plot our maximum, and our maximum is at 49. That's between 45 and 50, but it's really close to 50. So we're going to plot a point right there. Okay. Then we're going to plot our first quartile. So we're going to go to the 30, okay? And with quartiles, you actually draw a line. You don't draw a dot. Then we need to do our third quartile at 41.5, and that's just over 40. Perfect. Okay, last, now you're going to draw a box that connects these. Okay, and then you need to plot your median. Our median is at 35, and that is also a line. Boom. Okay, so this is our min. This is our max. This is first quartile. First quartile, and I'm just going to shorten it to Q. And this is our third quartile. And this part right here, that's our median. Okay. But last but not least, you have to connect maximum and minimum to the box. So you're going to connect this dot to the box. Okay, and you're going to connect, should have made the max value a little higher. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make that dot a little higher. Okay, and then you are going to draw the line from the box to the maximum. Okay, guys? This is how you create a box plot. Okay, our max is over here, our minimum is over here. We got the median in the middle, first quartile, third quartile. All right, guys. Make sure you complete the practice problems and the check on notes. If you have any questions, let me know.